So we have exercises on identity. First exercise, you must have already read it, and this is the plan. We have a box for phone number. We have a button for register. So this is the simple form to be created, and this is the project that solves this problem. First of all, I'll come to program.cs file. Here you should install these packages. These are NuGet packages required. Then create builder, add razor pages, add db context for database. This is a model class in the models folder. You will see in a moment. I'll show you in a moment. And then we have identity. Set this required confirmed account equal to false, because the default is true. So make it false. Add token provider, add entity framework stores for, and then we'll configure identity options. False, false, false. The defaults are true. So change them to false, and now required length is 4, which is OTP style. OTP is usually 4. You can keep it anything you like, 6 or whatever. Then username characters, since user ID will be phone, unique email true. So these are some settings. Then builder, build, authentication, map, razor pages, and this is the database story. Create a folder for holding your database. This constant is defined somewhere in identity context. The database file, the path, we'll show you later. You can see them later on. The database file will be created here. Later I'll show you that. And then if there are any pending migrations, apply migrate. If the database cannot connect, still cannot connect, that means it is not created. So add migration, initial, create. So this will have to be run, and you will see it in a moment, and I will show it to you how it is when the database will be created. But before that, let's see the other parts. This is the pages folder, a view imports file. As we already told, this contains common items like add tag helper. Then index.cshtml, home page, if authenticated then some welcome, and this is the link to your registration page. The registration page is in the areas folder, and here this auth and that auth are. And in the models folder we have database directory that I was telling you there, the path, this one, this we used in the program.cs file, and this is db set, the table for identity, and we tell use SQLite, and the connection string is set at this point. Then we have user data model class. This holds the phone number, the password, or the OTP. Pages folder, it contains view imports to hold commons. And then this is the registration page. This page has a backing class. I'll open both of them so that we can see. So this is the register user, some message, and this is the label for phone box. This registration data is your in this. So these are the constructors, some message, and this is the registration data, your bind property. And this is the label input box, the validator, server side. Client side I have not shown. You can do it yourself. This is the user manager obtained from constructor dependency injection, a great magic. And this is the on post submission and extract the phone. We assume it is valid, but you can validate otherwise also in whatever manner you want. And then we create an object of identity user. Username is phone. Email is any format you can use. It is used internally for our case here. Phone number is the phone. Create a random password, and this is the function that creates the user successfully, already exists, and redirect to your registration page so that message can be shown. Run the app now. We expect it to fail because database is not yet created. Let's actually verify that it fails. Nothing appearing, this means it has failed, and we'll open the console. That opens side by side. It says, have you applied migration? This is to be applied on package manager. So let's open package manager console and paste and enter, and it succeeds. So somewhere migrations folder, this folder has appeared. In database we'll get our file when we run it. You might have to see all the files, but let's run it. Open the home page. The home page opens now, and let's see the database first. So you can see database is actually created also. So let's bring the home page back. Register. A simple form opens as usual as we expected it. Enter any number for phone number. Entering any digits. So this doesn't exist in reality. Submit. User created successfully. So this is how this solution exists. You can check it. Downloads are available to you. We'll close. Thank you.